You already know what time it is. Hi, and welcome back to cleaning my brand new house. Alright, so I saw TikTok that you can clean your garbage disposal, and this thing has been rank since I got here. Like, absolutely disgusting. So it definitely is time to clean this. As you can see, I already poured the ice in. It says to just like shove it down in there and just pack it as much as possible. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just using my hands. A lot of people use utensils, but I think this is easier. Okay, I think this might be full already because I can't pack it down anymore, so I probably used too much ice, but we will try. It says to use cold water and just open it up slightly. I guess that's slight. Going to pack down some more. Yeah, get in there. And flip the switch. Oh my god. And continue packing the ice down. Oh my god. Alright, I'm packing this down and there's water that's coming out, so I'm going to use a spatula to try to just put it all in there. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, gross! Ah! Look at that! Do I turn it off? What do I do? Ah! Oh my god, it keeps coming out. Ew! Gross! No way! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ugh. It just keeps coming. It doesn't stop. Oh my god! Thank God! Get out of here! Oh my god!